When I close this and I hit enter, you can see I get this entire range, which would be all these numbers. Now what I want to do is, let me copy this because I need to use this again. I'm going to find the maximum value in this range. So it gives me 99, which is the maximum value in this column, which is here. And now I'm going to look for the position of this value in this range and fetch the corresponding name in this column. So to do that, I would come here and I would use another lookup formula, where my lookup value is the highest value, which is 99. So I'm looking for the value 99 in this range here. So I would come here at the end and paste the XLOOKUP part. Let me drag this down. So this is going to give me this entire range. So if math is selected, this gives me the entire column of math numbers, and my lookup value is the max